Very good morning student. Today we are going to learn about classifications of soil. So the soil is classified into six. One is alluvial soil, black soil, red soil and laterite soil and mountain soil, desert soil. Okay students. So the first one is alluvial soil. This is the very quality soil. Okay. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் குவாலிட்டி செகண்ட் குவாலிட்டின்ற மாதிரி சாயில்ஸ்லேயே பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா அதிகமான வளம் கொண்ட மண் பார்த்தா த அலுவியல் சாயில் தான். Okay, so these soil are found in the regions of river valleys, foot plains and the coastal regions. These are the formed by the deposition of slit by the running water. So the soils are found in water, river valley, foot plains and the coastal regions. They are the formed deposition of slit by the running water. So here only the soil is taken. Okay, so in most of alluvial soil is most of the alluvial soils are seen in most of the alluvial soils are we are seeing the river valleys and foot plains coastal regions. Okay students, so it is the most productive of soils. Okay, so water நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி இதான் வந்து சாயில்ஸ்லேயே வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் குவாலிட்டின்னு சொல்லுவாங்களா, அதான் இங்கே சொல்கிறாங்க. It is the most productive soil of all soils. Okay, so it is the most productive soils of all the soils and it is suitable for the cultivations of sugarcane, jute, rice, wheat and other food crops. Okay, so it is suitable for rice, wheat, sugarcane and food crops. Okay, the next one is black soil. Okay, you see the black soil clay we are making the toys the by using this black soil only. Okay students, so the soils are formed by the weathering of igneous rocks. So it is formed by the what? Igneous rocks. And black soil is claying in nature. It is retention of moisture. It is ideal for the growing cotton. So the black soil already பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அது வந்து ஈரமாவே. So the black soil is having the wet. Okay, so it is naturally in wet and retention of moisture and then it is ideal for growing cotton. Okay, so இதில் வந்து அதிகமாக எது வளரும்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா காட்டன் தான் வந்து வளரும். And the next one is red soils. You all know the red soils. So the soils are formed by the weathering of metamorphic rocks. Okay, so black soil is formed by the igneous rocks and red soil is formed by the metamorphic rocks and crystalline rocks. The presence of iron oxide makes the soils brown to red in color. So the presence of iron oxide is changing the color brown to red. Okay, it is usually found in the semi-arid regions. It is not a fertile soil. It is suitable for the millet cultivation. So it is not a fertile soil. Okay, so that's why this is suitable for only the millet cultivation. Is this clear for you? And next one is laterites and soils. Yes, laterite soil. These are the typical soils of tropical regions. These soils are found in the regions which experience alternate wet and dry conditions. Okay, so these are the typical soils of tropical regions. So it is found in the places wet which experience alternate wet and dry. So இது வந்து எந்தெந்த இடத்துல இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா ட்ரை அண்டு வெட் பிளேசஸில் தான் அதிகமாக அது வந்து கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. As the soils are formed by the process of leaching, it is fertile. Okay, so red soil is not fertile but laterite soil is fertile and this is suitable for the tea and coffee. And then next one is mountain soils. So it is found in the mountain places. Okay, under the mountain soils we saw, and the soils are found over the slopes of mountain. Okay, and soils in these regions are thin and acidic. However, the characters of soil differs from the region to region based on the altitude. So the mountain soils not same in the all places. This is place to place change. Okay, so this is so region to region and place to place changes based on the altitude. And next one is desert soil. So these are the sandy soil found in the hot desert regions. So the soil வந்து எங்கே இருக்குன்னா desert placesல மட்டும்தான் desert soil பார்க்க முடியும். This is not suitable for anything. Okay, plants-க்கோ எதுக்குமே இது வந்து சூட்டபிளாக இருக்காது. Okay, the soils are porous and saline. Since infertile agriculture in the soils are not so successful. So இதில் வந்து நம்ம என்ன plants வந்து இது பண்ணி வச்சாலும் நட்டு வச்சாலும் வந்து நாட் சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், தேங்க்